This presentation is brought to you by ApprentiSHIP and developed by TechCom. Let's get started by opening the component menu. First, click on the Place tab located at the top of the screen. Then, select the component option from the drop-down menu. When you're in the component menu, scroll down the Family section until you find the Power Sources family. Then, select the DC power component from the list. Now we can click OK and place the component anywhere in the workspace. Next, scroll down the Family section until you find the Switch family. Then, click the SPST component, press OK, and then we can place this component anywhere. Lastly, scroll down the Family section until you find the Lamp family. Then, select the 5V 1W lamp from the list. Click OK and place this anywhere. Now that we have our components, let's organize them. To help do this, we can click and drag them, as well as rotate them. To rotate the lamp, right-click it and select Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. When organizing, you'll want to aim for a rectangular shape, as it will make obtaining measurements easier. Now we need to wire our circuit. We can do this by clicking on the node of one component and clicking on the node of another one. Repeat this step until your circuit is fully wired. The lamp is only rated for 5 volts, so we need to change our power supply. To do this, double-click the power supply and change the voltage value from 12 to 5. As you can see underneath our switch, its toggle key is the spacebar. If you wanted to change this, double-click your switch and change the key for toggle. Now that we've finished our circuit, let's run it to make sure it works. To do this, press the green play button located at the top of your workspace. As we can see, the circuit works because when the switch is closed, the lamp turns on, and when we open the switch, the lamp turns off. Now that we know our circuit works, we can obtain measurements. But to do this, first we must stop running the simulation. To do this, we'll click the red stop button located at the top of the workspace. To obtain measurements, we need to place a multimeter. This is found at the top of the toolbar located on the right side of your screen. Click the multimeter and place it near your components. To record the voltage across the lamp, place the multimeter in parallel. Double-click the multimeter and make sure it's set to record voltage. With the multimeter window still up, run the simulation of your circuit to obtain a reading. This shows the voltage across the lamp. Now that we have our data, we can stop the simulation. Leave your multimeter window up and rearrange your multimeter so that it's in series with your circuit. To do this, you'll have to delete your old connections. Do this by clicking your connection and then pressing the delete key. Let's rotate our multimeter to make it more in line with the rest of our circuit. Now that our multimeter is in series, let's change it to record current and run the simulation. Now that we have our current measurement, we can stop the simulation.